3-minute tutorial for beginners. Crocheting a donut. Yarn. Wrap the yarn end around your finger 8 times. Remove the loop from your finger. Hold it in place. Insert the hook through the large loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. Then, work single crochet into this loop. Insert the hook. Yarn over and pull through. 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. 1 single crochet complete. Beginners, place a stitch marker in the first stitch. The stitch looks like the letter V. Work a total of 14 single crochet into the loop. Complete the remaining 13 stitches on your own. When finished, place a stitch marker in the last stitch. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through. Pull through the loop on the right. The slip stitch does not count as a stitch, pull it tight. For the second round, no need to chain up. Work single crochet directly around the first round. 14 single crochet in total. Complete on your own. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Third round. Again, no chain up needed. Work 14 single crochet around the previous round. Complete on your own. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. The side facing us is the inside. This side is the outside. Fourth round. Work the edging. First, make 1 chain stitch as a starting chain. Then work reverse single crochet. Insert the hook into the last stitch. Pull the yarn through. 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops, similar to a single crochet, but the insertion direction is reversed. Continue working reverse single crochet along the right side stitches clockwise. Complete on your own. When finished, turn over and join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. In a suitable position, chain 1, then fasten off. Use a yarn needle to weave in the ends. On the inside of the fabric, weave the yarn through any 6 to 8 stitches. Then cut off the excess yarn. The main body is complete. Next, take a piece of yarn in another color and add some decoration. Insert the needle from the inside. Bring it through. Stitch in any position. Skip a section and stitch again. When finished, bring the needle back to the wrong side. Tie the 2 ends together to secure. Weave the excess yarn into the fabric, then trim the extra. Do the same with the other yarn end. Attach a keychain, and it's all done.